Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can make your first money with Instagram with coaching calls. And in the next video, we'll also talk about one-on-one mentorings and we'll connect both of the things. So if you want to follow this strategy, then make sure to watch both of the videos because this whole thing is going to be connected and it will work hand in hand. So basically what coaching calls are and what the idea is that you basically document how you grow your Instagram account. Yeah, you just document it, you do the storytelling, you show people how you grow your Instagram account, you bring value around like growing your Instagram account, and then you simply start selling coaching calls, okay? You bring value, you tell stories, and you sell coaching calls for $97, okay? So that price works very good. It's $97. So like if you do it higher, then you will make less sales, and if you do it lower, then you miss out on money. So the price should be $97. And like when you start selling the coaching calls, it's important that you don't just like sell coaching calls. What you have to do is you have to create an offer. So don't just like put it into your Instagram story and say, yo, I'm doing some coaching calls right now. I have 3 spots left. If you want like a 30-minute coaching call or a 1-hour coaching call, send me a DM. You have to create an offer. Like people don't buy products, they buy offers, okay? So what I want you to do is craft an offer. What on top of the coaching call can you give people for free? Like people always like things, they like bonuses, they like free stuff. What can you give them for free on top of the coaching call, okay? And then start crafting your offer. So when people buy a coaching call from you, for example, then they should get the coaching call, and then free bonus number 1 is they also get like an ebook where you explain everything step by step how to grow and make money with an Instagram account. On top of that, they maybe also get like a video training. On top of that, they for example get a list of hashtags, and on top of that, they also maybe get like a cheat sheet with like top 10 Instagram hacks. Okay, so go create an offer, and trust me, it will increase your sales. Okay. And then like once you have your offer, once you have your pricing, and once you know how to do the coaching calls, you know what you can basically do is you can take the stuff from the Instagram University 2.0 and take the stuff that you learned over the time when it comes to growing your Instagram account. Yeah, you can just teach that stuff to people in the coaching call, in the ebook, in the video, and all that stuff, okay? And what you then do is you start doing Instagram stories, okay? As I already said, you do storytelling, you document your journey on how you grow your Instagram account, and you show your results, you show how you grow your account, and then what you do is you just upload a story. Okay, yeah, guys, lots of people have been asking me how I grow my Instagram account so fast, and like because of the higher requests, I decided that I will do some coaching calls. So if you're interested, if you want me to mentor you, and if you want me to show you step by step how you can build a following on Instagram and get 10,000 followers in the next 30 days, then send me a DM. Let me know that you want to do a coaching call with me. And by the way, if you like message me now, then you will also on top of the coaching call get access to my 42 pages ebook for free, in which I will show you everything step by step from zero, so that you just have it as like in a written form. On top of that, for free, you will also get a video training from me, in which I give you like 3 money making strategies that you can use to make money. And on top of that, you will get my top 10 hashtags list, and you will also get a cheat sheet with 10 Instagram hacks. Okay, so if you want that, send me a DM on Instagram. You know, I have like 5 spots for this week, so DM me now if you want to be inside, if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, if you want me to reveal the secrets that I learned when it comes to growing an Instagram account. Okay, that could be a story that you can upload to your Instagram account, and trust me, it will make you sales and you will make money with it. Okay, and then you can just do it like every second or every single day or like twice a week, whatever. Like bring value around Instagram, and start selling coaching calls. Okay, you can do that in the Instagram story, and then you just in the Instagram story you say to people, okay, send me a DM if you're interested. Okay, and then people DM you, and what you then simply do is like you have to follow this because this works very good. I have tested it over the time, and this is basically what works best. So people message you then and say, for example, hi, or I'm interested, or whatever. Okay, and then you just write this message. Okay, cool. And then a smiley. When do you want to get started? Okay, that's it. And then people will tell you, okay, we can do it maybe like today or tomorrow or next week. And then, okay, cool. Here's my PayPal, send me $97 and we can do the coaching call. And then, you know, like about like 30% of the people will instantly send you the money. And the other 70% will have some more questions, okay? So answer their questions, talk to them, and that's it. That's how you make money with the coaching calls, okay? $97, that's how much you should charge for it. Create an offer, and yeah, make sure that in your Instagram story, like if you sell coaching calls that teach people how to make money with Instagram, make sure that 70% of your content in the Instagram story and also in the feed is around Instagram, okay? So you need a main story theme. Don't just post random content. You need to follow a red line. So if you want to sell a product that shows people how to make money with Instagram, that shows people how to get followers on Instagram, then 70% of your content, 70% of the stuff that you upload should be around Instagram. Easy, okay? Because then you build people, or you build a following that's interested in that stuff, and then it's way easier to sell to them, okay? And yeah, 30% of the other content can be just random stuff. It can be from your life, can be other content, can be funny videos, can be memes, whatever it is, okay? So follow this formula, start selling your first coaching course. Make sure to watch the next video if you want to know how you can like get the whole thing to the next level and make way more money. Not just $97 per coaching call that you sell, but like 200 or 300, okay? So watch the next video and I will see you inside.